ooh, oh my God. You know what? I think I'm gonna quit teaching and I'm gonna do this full time now because I love this ramen. Hi guys, this is me again, your favorite economic professor. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do some ramen noodle. Now, as we learn in our econ classes, so ramen in your textbook is normally called an inferior good. Remember, inferior good means the more money you make, the less you're gonna buy. But to many people in Asian culture, especially people from Japan, from China, from Korea, this thing here, ramen, the packet ramen, to us is a normal good. So I'm going to teach you a way today how to turn this inferior ramen into a normal good for you as well. So by the way, so this is the Noshin Shin ramen. You can buy this from your local stores, so HEB, Walmart, they all have it. Oh, by the way, so this is the K-pop demon hunter, my son's favorite. All right, so this is what you need. You need a packet ramen noodle. By the way, this is a little spicy, so I would say maybe about 2 out of 5 on a spicy scale. So it depends on how spicy you like it, right? So, but if you like spicy, this is gonna be one of your favorite ramen. So Shin ramen, you need one of this. You also need some green onions. Any type of protein. So of course I'm Asian, so I love my spam. And then you also need some type of mayo. So I have the Japanese mayo here. If you have the regular mayo from the store, that's fine too. And then if you also like a more spicy, additional hot sauce you might have, so I get this one from Chinatown. So this is very, very spicy. You need 1 egg. And then I also want to make this a little fancier. So this will be optional. So I have some garlic powder and then some seaweed seasoning from the Japanese market. All right, so first thing to do, we're gonna cook our ramen. So this will take about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. So let's put this in the pot. So that's boiling right now. And then we're also gonna add, so if you look at the packet here, you have 2 little packets. This one here with the vegetables, we're gonna put this one here too. So add the vegetable in there. So come do a close up. All right, here we go. All right, so next we're gonna make our soup base. But before the soup base, we need to cook our spam first. So we just need like 2 slices of spam. And by the way, guys, again, this goes back to our normal versus inferior good. Spam in America, this is your inferior good in many Asian culture. So if you ever go to even Hawaii, go to Japan, go to Korea, go to China, spam is a normal good. People love spam in those cultures. Okay, so I'm gonna cut 3 slices of very same spam. We're gonna sear this in the pan. So my pan's already warmed up. All right, so next we're gonna cut up our green onions. We're gonna cut green onions into very fine slices. So be careful with your knife. Now, of course, because I'm a professional chopstick user, so I'm very good with my knife too. So cut up very thin slices. All right, okay, so next we're gonna make our soup base. Now, for the soup base, we're gonna need an egg yolk. So this is how good your egg skill is. We're gonna break our egg. We're only gonna use the egg yolk in it. Now the egg white, we're gonna put it in the soup here. Okay, so I'm gonna break up here. I'm gonna have my bowl with me. All right. So put the egg white into our ramen base. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at my skill here. All right, so all we have left is the egg yolk. There we go. All right, so next we're gonna add our mayo. So it's already coming out. There's plenty. Look at that. It's coming out. Oh my God, this is too much. This is still coming out. I'm gonna put it on the side. Good mayo. All right, so let me get some paper towel. All right, so and then we're gonna add in our seasoning. I'm gonna do the whole bag. So let's do the spicy side. And by the way, right now might be a good time to toss my spam. So I'm gonna use my chopstick. I'm gonna cook the stem a little bit. And turn down the fire because it's almost ready. All right, so I'm gonna use my chopstick. I'm gonna mix my base here. Now you want to mix it really fine. Make sure all the clumps of the soup base is all mixed up. So break up all the clumps you have. And you can use a fork, and you can use a spoon, but of course I'm Asian, I prefer my chopsticks. All right, so really make it really fine. Oh, look at that, our ramen's almost ready. I'm gonna add in a little bit of the garlic powder. Oh, that's my garlic powder. All right, mix that. Okay, I think by now my ramen is ready to turn off the fire. Now, before I put the ramen in there, I'm gonna put some of the soup on my pot. And also grab the egg white, because I need this one too. So this is the egg white. That's all the extra vegetable we put in earlier. And then make sure you mix it really nicely so all the soup is breaking up with the previous sauce we put in there. See the nice orangish color we have? All right, so now we're gonna add in our ramen. Now we don't need the soup anymore because that's all the soup we need. So just the dry ramen. So let out all the soup, only the ramen. All right, put in there. Let it rest as well. So don't waste anything because this is very tasty. All right, okay, so mix it up. Make sure all the ramens get a little soup sauce on it. All right, next, let's make it fancy, okay? So, I like my hot sauce. Let's put a stem on it first. So, here goes my Spam. And my green onions. My Japanese seaweed dressing. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God. What is this? This looks amazing. And lastly, my extra spicy hot sauce with the hot oil on it. Just a drizzle. Ooh, that is beautiful. All right, look at that. My ramen is finished. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, so give a bite. Okay. Ooh, oh my God. You know what, I think I'm gonna quit teaching and I'm gonna do this full time now because I love this ramen. It smells great. It's a little hot. It tastes even better. So guys, if you learn nothing from me this semester, learn how to do this. All right guys, this is all I have, so have a nice day. Go home, try this, and then let me know if you have any questions. Okay, all right, have a nice day, bye-bye.